To adjust the date and time settings on Realme GT 7 Pro, first we'll need to open our settings. Then move all the way down and enter System and Update. Go for date and time, and then we can adjust all of the settings. First one is time format, that you can switch between 12 hours and 24 hours clock. Then we can set our time automatically or manually. When you disable it, we can adjust the date as well as the time manually. The same goes with the time zone. When it's disabled, you can choose your own time zone right here. You can also enable a dual clock and then select the specific time zone for the other clock, and then you will see the hour for both of the cities or the time zones. When we lock our device, it should be visible right here, but for me it's the same time, so it shows only one. Let's go and try again with the different time zone. So here it is.